Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will be trying this Pinterest nail inspo. Funny and very hilarious. Make sure to stay to the end to see if I am able to pull it off or not. Make sure to subscribe if you are new to this channel. I'll be posting a lot of good content on this channel. I'm applying 2 coats of this baby pink nail polish on each of my fingernail. This nail inspo from Pinterest looks good, but it looks a bit difficult, especially for someone that is a beginner. I will be making a marble effect on 2 of the nails, and I haven't done a marble effect before, so hopefully it turns out good. I am making sure to clean the nail polish spillage as I go. This is my nail after 2 coats of this baby pink on all my nails. I am now coming to make the marble effect, so I'll be using black and red to get this look. So this is how the marble effect is looking like. I feel like I can see it much better in person than on camera. But also I think I made the polish too much, and also the black polish was more than the red polish, which I wanted the red to be more than the black. But overall it's looking good. Like here looks like a rose here, this exact part, but it's just not picking up on camera at all. Also, I'm going to make it smooth in texture, but not now. Okay, so because I used the dotting tool, it's not smooth, but then it's obvious it's not going to be smooth. I'll make it smooth, but that is after I add some certain things to the nail art, because this is not the final look of it at all. This is not the final look. The rest are all French tips, so I'm just getting some nail polish to make the French. I'm not that good at French tips. Usually I do my French tips off camera, because with the camera I feel like my hand is shaking too much. Exactly my point. I don't know if I can. holy. Done French tips like 2 or 3 times, and I'm still bad at it. I'm still bad at it. Like, I know I'll get better, but at the moment I'm still bad at it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This nail also has a marble effect, so I'm trying to incorporate it in there. Okay, let me take the red polish because I want the red to be more, and then spread it here. Yeah. Okay. Trying to not ruin the French tip that I did off camera because it's not easy. Why is the black so too much? Like, the black is such an attention seeker. Okay, it's coming together. Like, I don't know if you guys can see the vision. It's coming together. I still wish the red in here was more than the black, but it's coming together. It's coming together. Okay, there is the red French tips, no marble effect, but then this one is like a white and black. But then there is a charm, a red charm, red and green charm, a cherry charm, which I don't have that. So I don't know if I should make it black and white because then it's off theme. Because I don't have the charm to go with it. Also, ignore how I am making my French tips, guys. This is not a French. Okay, let's try it again. Oh my goodness. Save me because I am struggling. Yeah, I should just do like, bro. Like, no matter what I do, the line is never straight. Like, look, it's Kevin. Like, I don't know if there are tips on how to make it straight, guys. I've watched videos on it. I'm still bad. I'm still bad. I've tried so many different hacks, and I'm still bad at it. Now it's slanted. It's not straight. Okay, I think now it's better now. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I know making French tips might be very easy for some people, very, very easy for some people. And I know there are people that struggle to do French tips just like me. Right now, I'm using flash curing, but then when I'm done, I'm going to put it in the full lamp. I just don't know how to position my finger when I'm doing a French tip. But this looks so much better than all the French tips that I've done. Okay, now I'm messing it up. I think it turned out okay. This is the full set of the nail arts. Moving on to the white French tip. Honestly, I think I should have done another marble effect on my middle finger, but I decided to go with the theme of the nail, which was a black and white zebra print, but I wanted a white and red instead of the black and white. I'm making French tips, it's not even funny. Um Don't worry because I always clean it up. Like the way people easily do this, and like I'm always struggling. What is this? Like actually, and I'm going to clean this because there's no way I'm keeping that on my nail. Okay, let's take two. I think the thumb was easy because I literally made like I didn't clean it up. I think I cleaned this one or this one. I've been cleaning them, but in this the thumb I didn't clean it. So the thumb has been like my easiest so far. Okay, but the line is just never straight. It's never like I'm trying to focus and it's still like going everywhere. I don't know, guys, if there are tips, please leave it in the comments for me. I would really appreciate. I don't know why I'm so bad at this. Don't worry, guys, I'm going to clean it up. The polish is everywhere. This is how it's looking like. I like how it turned out. It came together, and now I'm going to do the stripes, which I'm thinking of doing a red stripe instead of the black stripe. As for the French tip, this is as good as it can get. So I wasn't gonna clean it again. Yeah, I was not gonna clean it again. Okay, so I'm just doing like I have such shaky hands, like I just can't make a straight line for the love of my. Exactly. Let me just do it this way. Let me let my hand rest because I decided to focus, and this is how it's looking like. I now feel like adding black, even though I didn't want to add black. I don't know if I can do it. If I cannot do it, I'm not going to force it, but I'll try to add a little bit of black. This is the final look. I am now about to add some charms to make it pop and look good. I would say that this nail inspo from Pinterest wasn't easy at all. I made so many mistakes. This was hilarious. I was laughing throughout, but I have to say that I really like the final result of this nail art, and I hope you do too. I loved throughout, and I hope you loved as well. If you loved this video, please make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I really want to get to 1,000 subscribers, so if you do subscribe, I would be really grateful. And if you've watched to this point, leave a red heart in the comment section so that I know that you watched to this point. Also, do not forget to leave any tips on how to make French tips easier in the comment section for me so that I can learn, and anyone else watching who is struggling to make French tips can also learn. This is the final look, and I am so excited that it came out really good. If you love this video and this nail art, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all in the next one.